Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and I'm here to tell you right now the problem I have with the IKEA PAX system.
Then get up, get dressed before.
Alright guys, look, I have a problem with the IKEA PAX system because I know me. Every time I look on YouTube and I see those girls' closets and everything, the system looks absolutely beautiful. If I put this PAX system in my room, okay, I have enough room for it. I got this wall, that wall. I have room in here for it. Now I have compressed all my clothes down to my closet, and I love that, and my dresser drawer in my bedroom. I love that. Guys, today I am going out shopping, not for a lot of things, but just what I need for my dressing room. So there's a couple of places that I will be going today. Maybe like thrift stores. It could be anywhere. Thrift stores, TJ Maxx, Walmart, anywhere, guys. I can't put my hand on it. Like I said before, I was going to buy the PAX system from IKEA. But before I do anything drastic like that, guys, I have to look around. I have to see if there's any dupes. I'm going to go to Big Lots, Target, and some thrift stores. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to go to Menards because, you know, Menards have closet systems as well. So that's where we're about to head to, okay? This is our first stop. This is our first stop, and look at what I found, guys. Guys, this is a consignment store, right? Now, a consignment store, if you have anything that's hard for you to part with, they will sell it for you. They keep 60% and they give you 40%. Now guys, look, this is a table that I was really thinking about buying. It was $60 because I need somewhere to put my TV and I can store things underneath that. So the other thing that I saw, guys, was this beautiful 8-drawer organizer. Now I was thinking I could put all my makeup in there, and you guys know that my dressing room is going to be pink, white, and gold. And this would be perfect. You know, I would take everything off of there and just spray gold if I needed to, but this is going to be perfect. It was only $30, but you know what, guys? I don't want a lot of things sitting on my floor because I'm going to be working out in my dressing room, and I don't want a lot of things sitting around. I want it to be as uncluttered as possible. And although these are my colors, I left it. It was hard to leave it, guys, but even when I got home, I didn't see where I could put it. It would just be in the way, more clutter. So I continued to walk through the store, guys, and some of this stuff was pricey, but I liked it. I liked a lot of those things in there because, man, those people have some nice things in there. Right now, I'm standing by a glass rolling bar, and any and everything can go on there, guys. Our perfumes, our lotions, anything that we want, even if we wanted to make it into a bar for our dressing room. But, you know, I digress. So I'm looking through there, and guys, one of the things that I seen over in the corner was absolutely beautiful. But I left that too because this is our first stop. Look at this chair. Look at this chair. It was so comfortable. I sat in a chair, guys, and I'm telling you, I really liked it. But the color of it is blue, and I need a pink or a white chair. So, of course, I left that too. Remember, this is the first store we stopped at. So now, guys, here's a china cabinet. And we could store a lot of things in that as well. Our perfumes, our lotions, our shoes, our purses, you know. But I said that's another big piece of furniture on my floor. But I told you, don't sleep on no thrift stores. Don't sleep on the thrift stores, guys. All right, guys, so I have a few more stores that I want to shop at. I'm on my way to Burlington right now to see what they have. All right, we have made it to Burlington. And you see that they have a lot of their Christmas decor out, but we're not here for that. At this point in the video, guys, thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment section down below if there's anything you want to know that I didn't address. Now, because I do not want to crowd up my walls and everything, I saw this piece and it was $39.99, But I left that because that's not what we're here for. We are here for stuff like this. This chair matched my room, but it was hard and uncomfortable, as well as this ottoman, and it was pricey. It was hard, guys. So I continued to walk through the store to see what I could see, and look what I ran across. For some reason, these pictures just caught my eye, and they were only $14.99. So guys, you know I put it in the buggy. I got 2 of them. And as I was walking through the aisles, I saw these beautiful shelves, you know, in the aisles, and they were also $14.99. So I put those in my buggy, guys, and we are off to pay for this stuff. But I'm gonna get this. Perfect. Guys, these are perfect for my dressing room. Wait till you see what end up happening with these things that I purchased from Burlington.
So now, guys, we are on our way over here to Ross and Menards. So guys, yeah, let's see what Ross have, and see if they got the tall mirror, and let's see if Menards have the spray paint.
Okay, we have made it to Menards, and I am looking for a spray paint for my station. I am not sure if I'm even going to keep that station, but at least I know that they have the spray paint color that I'm looking for, and this stuff was only $4.99, so I can either go gold, silver, white, or pink.
All right, guys, I have made it back from the store, and I am really tired. Now, guys, this is my dressing room, and things is coming along. I got a lot of walls here. Plain wall here, and I am going to paint everything. Now guys, I'm backwards, but that's me. I like to decorate, see how everything is going to go, then I take everything down, and then I paint. But see, guys, that's just how I am. So one of the things that I bought, this is a wall unit, okay? This is a wall unit. And I'm thinking about putting a few purses on there, or, you know, anything could go on there, like lotions, purses, or shoes, or something like that. But that's really what I went out to do. I bought 2 of these. And guys, believe it or not, these wall units were $14.99. Isn't that a steal? Now I don't have to go and buy these big old bookshelves and things like that. If I can just sit my purses on here to open up some space in my closet, that'll be perfect. The other thing that I bought, guys, was this. I bought a picture, and I'm going to embellish it with some more white and some more pink, and I am going to actually hang it to the side. I'm not going to hang it like this. I'm going to hang it to the side, and I bought 2 of them like that. They're not going to hang together. They're going to hang offset. And believe it or not, guys, these pictures as well was $14.99. And I got these from Burlington. But when I got the things here, guys, I was like, nope. Don't even try to make this stuff work. Nope, take it back.
Guys, this is me returning the stuff that I just bought. I bought this stuff from Burlington's. When I got it home and I put it on my wall, it was falling all off the wall. It really wasn't matching up right. And with this, I can return it. But with that PAX system, I won't be able to return it.
I am going to paint the room. And since I don't want to spend all day painting the room, I went and bought an 18-inch roller and a roller here. The roller holder and the roller here. And I got this from Home Depot. So yeah, guys, this will, look at that. That will make me finish painting this room fast. I have to go get another one, another set, because I think this room is also going to be pink and white. And I'm also got this for the roller to go into it. So since I got the roller holder, you gotta have something to hold the paint, right? So this is what I got. All right, so what I am about to do is before I go up here and get the paint, because I'm on my way up there to get the paint, I am going to just fill in some of these holes that I made. This room is going to be my chill room, my spa room, my exercise room, my makeup room. You know, it's just going to be my room where I come and chill at. And it has to be right. So, you know, I'm going to show you the room better. Here, guys, is my little dressing table. And yesterday, I went and picked up some curtains. You know, I got these curtains from Ross. And they were $29.99. You get 4 in a pack, but I didn't need 4. I'm gonna use the other 2 to probably cover my chair or, you know, embellish something in the room. Maybe make some pillows out of it. Look how pretty that is. Look how pretty those are. I love how pretty these curtains turned out to be and how they match the rug on the floor. Now this is a pretty fur rug. I got this from Ross for $39.99 and it is soft, and I love the way that these 2 combinations go together. Look how thick this rug is, guys. And it's a nice size to go right underneath my vanity station that I'm thinking about switching out. But for now, guys, I'm thinking about taking this vanity station, either switching it out and buying a new one, or I am going to spray paint that white again, gold, or silver. I don't know yet. So this is how far I have gotten on the room so far. So guys, over here is just a tree that I had for a minute. Had this tree for a minute, and I decided to put it in here. These are the 3 emblems that I showed you, the wall decor from Ross. I did a video on these emblems that I got from Ross. Each one of them was $16.99. And I got 4 of them. The other one I have downstairs on my table. Guys, this is my front room table. This is an emblem that goes on the wall, but I decided to put it as a centerpiece on the table. And that's one of the reasons why I got them, is because you can make tables out of those things. You can hang them on the wall. Okay, guys, this is a folding table. If I want to make a beautiful, like, flower table or something like that, it's beautiful. Anything can sit on there. Anything, you know, anything. So that's where I am, guys. That's where I am. When I'm done with this table, don't need it no more, and it goes away. Things, you can hang them on the wall. You could put them as a centerpiece in your ceiling, around your light that's in your ceiling, or you could just put them on the table and it'll be a nice little, you know, decorating addition. I need to be able to film in here, do my makeup, work out, get dressed, and just chill. So everything that I really don't need, I am probably going to get rid of. Now, although I have the room for the IKEA PAX system, and it's a beautiful system, I don't need it, and I am not going to force myself to get it, because I know what I'm going to end up doing with it. Well, guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you will not miss my next video, guys. You know I love it when you come by here and visit me and watch the videos and thumbs up and subscribe. You guys are the best. You are the reason why my channel is growing. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. Let's